So hello everyone. I hope you are very well and doing very well. Today we'll be discussion about of what append and extend in Python. Very easy way. Uh, Both are used to add element to a list, but they are work differently. So what's work append and what is work of extend? So I have got a name list. There are three names in this list. First Rahul, Raja, Mohan, and before that we need to see the name of list, which how much element is present in list, and what is number of name in list. Okay, so before using append and extend, I think we should know about information of list. Print, and our name is list name is name. Okay, and run. So these are the list element, and here I'm explaining about append. We If you want to add only one element in a list, so here we will be use append element, and extend. If you want to add either than 2 3 4 5 in one time, so here will be work extend. But if you want to only one add only one element in list, so we can use of append. Okay, let's see guys. So I want to, like i I want to add one element in this list, and the element name is Arpit. Okay, the name is Arpit. So the Arpit only one name, so we can use append in this list. So how can use append? Before that, we there is three value, and here we will be use append, like first list name dot append, append, and what is name is Arpit. Okay, and before that we have got three value, and after that adding one element in this list. So let's see, print name is list of name. Okay, so here there is four element, and before that we have got three elements. So here Arpit is added list, and this is a basic simple example of how to append and list. And I'm talking to about extend. Suppose I want to add many element in this list, like we have got, like we have got three names another. Okay, in list we can modify easily, so three name. Okay, like also list is allowed duplicate value. Okay, don't worry, but I'm taking different name. Okay, Shubham. Why we are using Shubham, Shivang, and Sumit. Okay, I have to use I have to add three name in one list. How to add? So here we will be use extend element. So how to use extend? So I'm giving basics simple example. Okay, there are three element, and I have to add three all of three element in one list. The list name in name. So how to add? So there, how to use? Before that, all element add another list, like another we have to make another list, like name 2, and name to there are a name. First is Suham, second is Shivank, and last Shumit. Okay, and here here we will use extend element. But how to use extend element? So first name is first list, and in first list we have to add second list. Okay, dot extend, and the second list name is name 2, and okay, and here we added the second list in list 1, and print name. We have got first list, and the first list name is there is 4 element, and after that extend, let's see. Yeah, there are added all elements in one list. So there was basic simple explanation of how to use append and extend in list. So I hope video was very simple and useful.